Hello, and welcome to this month's tips and tricks video. Today's video, I'm going to show you what happens when you cancel a paid appointment in ClinicSense. We'll walk you through a couple of different scenarios so you can see how the system handles things like late cancellations and refunds. Let's dive in. First, let's take a quick look at our cancellation settings. We'll go to Setup and then click on Scheduling Settings from the dropdown. From here, we'll move to our Cancellation Policy tab. Here you'll see that I have a cancellation window set up. This means that if a client cancels within that window, a late cancellation fee applies. In this case, my late cancellation fee is a percentage of the service price, and the percentage is 50%. I also have two prepaid appointments ready for this video. One appointment is for later today. Since it's within 24 hours, it falls under my late cancellation policy. And the second appointment is in the future, outside of that 24-hour window. This will allow us to see how the system responds in both cases. Let's start with the appointment for later today. When I open it and click on Cancel Appointment, you'll see the system automatically suggests the late cancellation fee of 50% of the session cost. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can refund the difference between the late cancellation fee and the full amount the client paid, or you can transfer the remaining balance to account credit. When you do this, the balance is moved to the credit for future use. The same process would apply in the case of a no-show. Now let's take a look at the future appointment. When I open it and click on Cancel Appointment, you'll see that no cancellation fee applies since we're not yet within the late cancellation window. After confirming the cancellation, a banner at the top shows that the payment exceeds the cancellation fee. Here, you'll also have two options. You can refund the full amount the client already paid, or you can transfer the balance to account credit so your client can use it for another booking. And that's it. As you can see, canceling a paid appointment can look a little different depending on the situation. If you have any questions or need help managing cancellations in your account, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@clinicsense.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.